Today, I'm gonna be walking you through how to use the K18 Molecular Repair Leave-In Mask and the brand new K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. To start your routine, you're gonna get into the shower and wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo, my favorite being the K18 Detox Shampoo. After that, you're gonna get out of the shower with no conditioner in your hair, towel dry just a little bit to get the excess moisture out, but you're gonna wanna keep your hair damp. Then you're gonna apply 1 to 3 pumps of your K18 Molecular Repair Leave-In Mask. You're gonna let that sit for 4 minutes to allow the K18 peptide to fully penetrate through the hair. After the 4 minutes is up, we're ready to go into the application of our K18 Molecular Repair Hair Oil. The coolest part about the Molecular Repair Hair Oil is that it can be used on damp or dry hair. So on damp hair, you're gonna use it to drive that K18 peptide deep into the hair, and then you're gonna use it after you finish styling to really tame that frizz and give that glossy shine. For your damp hair application, you're gonna wanna start by using 1 to 3 drops. When your hair is damp, you wanna use a little bit more of the hair oil than you would on dry hair because the damp hair is gonna open that cuticle and allow that K18 peptide to go deep into the hair. You're gonna take your 1 to 3 drops and apply the bulk of it on your mid-shaft and ends. That's the area of our hair that typically needs the most love and nourishment anyways. And then you're gonna take the remaining product and work it all the way up. And pro tip, this hair oil is clinically proven to heal split ends, so you can take that and really work it into your split end areas. And if you have any chemical damage around your hairline, you can take a little bit of the hair oil on your fingertips and really work it into that breakage area. Because again, it's clinically proven to heal split ends, so it's gonna save your breakage as well. Once you've applied to damp hair, you are good to move into your dry styling, whether that be blow drying, diffusing, or just letting it air dry. Regardless of how you plan on styling your hair, you're gonna use your K18 hair oil the exact same. You're gonna take your 1 to 3 drops. I tend to use 1 to 2. So you'll start from your mid shaft and ends and work all the way up to your roots to get maximum healing and maximum frizz control. This product works in so many different ways, like heat protection, sealing split ends, adding an insane amount of shine, and maximum frizz control.